Hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video we are gonna hack a stock price API with Python. So let's get started. We are gonna do a reverse engineering for their API keys. So let's get started. So as I say in my old videos, web scraping is old school, the new school is hacking APIs. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna head over to Google and try to capture a couple of API keys for the stock price. So I can say at Google, so Apple stock price, I hit enter. So now when this pops up here, my brain starts thinking, hey, okay, so if this is popping up, these guys must be using some kind of API calls or some kind of JSON which is basically loading the data, right? So there has to be some kind of API which is running at the back end. How can I get that? So the question, if you have a question, we always have an answer. So we do inspect element, we go to the network tab, right? That's what we do, and simply refresh it, and here you see the requests are being made, are being generated. Just gonna stop that, and now what we try to do is basically we have to search that response. So I have already done that. I have already searched it over here. You can see finance underscore web page, and this is their API call. I already have it, but I want to search it live and to try to show you. It takes time because you have to dig through all the API calls and stuff. So it's not like you will get it in like 2 minutes. So of course it's gonna take time. So let's see if we are able to find it out. So the API starts with finance underscore whole, something like that, So if I finance, nope. Let's just try F. Now just try to I'm trying to inspect it, each and everything. So try to search by F. So sometimes it can be a little tedious, but once you find it, it's like a gold mine for you, because you have all the data. So just trying to essentially look up for the API key. What is this? Is this the one? Nope. So I'm right now looking for that hidden API. This guy's yep, that's the one, guys. This is the one, I think. Yeah, I got it. So that's the one. So that's finance underscore whole page. So this is what the Google people are using to do that. So if you go to headers, so this is the entire response that is being made, and these are the query parameters. Here you can see EIYY async, right? So what I did is basically I was pretty smart enough to copy all of that. So I copied the URL, right? The request URL that Google is making. I copied it here. So here you can see URL. Then the query string. So I knew these guys are doing some kind of stuff at the back end. So here you can see the query string EI is equal to this, YV is equal to 3, and async equals to this. So I added a dictionary, and I created a fake header, and that's it. So if you just say response.get URL header equal to header and params equals to params. So essentially if I run it, here you can see I have all the data. So here is the Apple stock, and we have the stock price is 205.21. This is 1 plus 191. That means it was up by 1 point. This 0.94% up. This is the date and time when you have fetched the data. By the way, this code is also there in the description section below of my GitHub account on my hacked API section. So this is cool, right? I mean, we just like hacked their API. I mean, if someone has to do a beautiful like web scraping, you create a soup object, find the div tags, find this. That's old school. This is new school, all right? So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this way you can do a lot of stuff if you know stuff in and out. So Python is pretty powerful. Have questions, list them in the comment section below, and I shall try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.